Aye, this is the Coolport Road. Look at that, eh?
There was a takeaway in there.
You want to go there?
I would just keep going.
Look at that view, eh?
I would just say, this is lovely, isn't it?
It's beautiful. Just that water, the sunlight hitting that water, just glittering away.
We'll stop in Helensburgh.
Aye. Still warm.
Yes, what am I?
My bike says 23 degrees.
Well, 22, so 22 and a half.
Oh, he's pulled in again. Good lad.
It's a bit fucking bumpy, isn't it?
It's good, eh?
Aye.
But we're on adventure bikes.
There's another adventure today.
This is a great wee road.
Been on this road?
Aye, but coming the other way.
Aye.
Not been on it going this way. Oh, my ribs are sore.
Fuck's sake, I finished up at traffic lights or something. Like it's past, I think.
Aye. I thank
Probably
them.
thought we're cops because of the fucking lights.
More than likely, aye. And he's been out dogging.
Yeah. Fucking bastard.
Oh, I just about came off my seat there. Well, I did come off my seat.
I know, eh?
Oh no, my bike's getting wet. Traffic control ahead.
That's what's up with the cat.
That's weird seeing Faz Lane for this side, eh?
Right. That's the Royal Navy Garden there.
Is it?
Camacho Group used to do that.
Uh-huh.
I spent a year over here.
Aye, you did have to,
Make it Faz Lane, make it Coolport, 2 weeks off, a week at camp, the same again.
Sun's bright, eh?
Yeah.
But I can still see my screen, no problem at all.
Aye.
Whereas I struggle to see the screen on the... There's a wee Hobbit house. Struggle to see the screen on the phone, even when it was up bright like.
Phones are not the best, are they?
No, well they're no built for...
No for the bike.
Well, they're no built for what we want to do with them, eh?
All I'm doing is charge my phone so it works the Chippy.
Aye.
Seen that the Chippy charges itself
Aye, your Chiggy will charge off the bike.
off that holder.
Well, it doesn't charge, it just powers off the bike. Look at that view, eh?
Seen it the other day, eh?
We certainly have. That's hard to believe that's us at the A82 already.
I don't know. Good shortcut though, eh?
Aye. Just breaks things up, eh?
Doesn't look that busy, does it?
No.
Okay, left.
Let's go. Smell that cow shite.
No. Who way do you want to go back?
It's up to yourself. We can either take a left at the roundabout at Alexandria. Is that Alexandria? Or go
Aye,
straight
back to
ahead.
the cave.
Aye, or go straight ahead. It's entirely up to yourself.
If you go straight ahead, it's fucking motorway, innit?
Aye,
I'll go Alexandria, eh?
aye. Unless you want to stop, we'll stop at McDonald's. Get a drink in there, get a wee
Aye,
burger.
If you want, aye.
I'll treat you at a McDonald's and now you're a wee slag.
I'm alright just with a juice or something if you want to do that, unless you want a burger.
I'll get you a meal. I'll feed the daddy.
What's that?
I'll feed the daddy.
I'm going to change my gloves for next year and I'm going to change my
Alex,
textiles as well.
Alex, you were changing your
What?
gloves last year.
I know. Still got them.
Yes.
I did buy another pair though.
Aye, but you bought winter gloves for the winter.
I fucking never wore them.
Well, you wore them 2 or 3 times when we went
That's
at the
it.
start of the season, eh?
Aye.
And I think I've wore my gloves are the same as yours once.
You know what I'm doing with these ones at the end of the season? I'm pinning them.
Aye. Give them to me and I'll make sure they get binned. Because they're
Well,
all...
I've had 4 years I've had them.
Aye, but they're all holes inside, eh? All torn inside.
I know.
You end up... You're the only man I know that's got bunions on your hands.
Bunions.
Bunions on your hands. Well, for once, that road was empty.
That was a nice wee journey back, wasn't it?
We didn't need to overtake anybody either. Right, well, we hang a wee left down here into
Aye.
McD.
It's this one.
I think so.
Yep. We've been in here a few times.
Aye, I've been in there quite a lot.
Oh, that's right. Should have more bike parking.
I know. There is, just go right round, there's a space here next to that fat lassie.
You got in here. Oh, man.
Man alive.
TikTok.
Ah, time for a McD's.